Satu, we were aware going to elections that workers are not going to vote for the ANC. And it was painful. But there was nothing that we could do. Ufika ama-food parcel, wena alo siwathatha, uthatha ngisho 5 abanye abantu bengakatholi, uyivolontiya kodwa. Uma umuntu nje ngisho kini makunomsebenzi, uhle kokugcina wena owasekhaya, uhla egcineni you allow other people. Noma ungangathola wena uzobe uthola.
Sicelo Provincial Deputy Chairperson wekhosathu le province Comrade Zanele Gumede as address.
Manda, comrades and everyone and friends, we bring home revolutionary greetings. Siyajabula siukhosathu ukuba ingxenye yalomhlangano. Angazi ukuba niyakwazi ukuyibona inhliziyo yami ijabule kangakanani ngoba uyabona kulesi sikhathi esisona ayikho into ebaluleke njenge-unity. Unobhala ushilo wonke umuntu mhlawumbe osekhulumile uyishilo ukuthi united we stand, divided we fall. So it always pains me mangibona siloku sihlukana singahlangani, sihlukene siyiqoqo manje. I think umbuzo omkhulu ukuthi ubani lona osidividayo yini agenda yakhe, because that division is in the political parties, is also in the unions. If you look at the number of unions that are there now, and as COSATU, our founding principle is one sector, one union, one country, one federation, and it's not happening. As a result, izinto zabasebenzi asiziwini. Angikhulumi ke ngokhongolose ukuthi usehlangazeke iqoqo. It's even God grace that manje is still standing and is still leading the government of national unity, which we are happy with. As I come la ephambili ngizo-reflector ngizoyenza ke lonto mina ngangile student esiwalandela ama-instruction ephepheni. Bathiwa describe ngiyadescribe angilist. So izinto angizo-reflector. So when you reflect, you analyze or you talk on what has been said, njengasenkantolo ngeke uzoprosecute into engakazishiwo. So you do that. But on the lighter note, I wanted to start with what the chair said, the issue of discipline, which I think is an important thing in every organization. What I have noticed with the ANC is that sometimes it looks like there is no discipline, because a member cannot go on media and talk bad about the ANC and nothing happens. Especially leadership. I see members, leadership, it cannot happen. Union, if you go and talk bad about the union, in the evening you will receive the charges that are saying you put the name of the union in disrepute. You must state why you should not be suspended. So in other words, as we reflect on the issues that brought us here, we must bear in mind that some as an organization, as an alliance a whole, not lenient in terms of discipline, which is what the ANC need to do going forward. Even the issue that Unobhala was talking about of ANC being infiltrated by people that do not love the ANC, that joined the ANC for stomach politics. ANC is destroyed by that. And those people are more than those that are genuinely there to change the lives of the poor. They are more than care about their stomach. And you will see them when they are coming to meetings. They will be wearing Bushes, Louis Vuittons, and everything. I like what Uhlalo said. I like what Uhlalo said in one of the meetings. Uhlalo said a very important, Uduma, Uhlalo province, said a very important thing. Uhlalo, if unani Louis Vuitton bag, we door to door. You know what I'm volunteer abasebenza abanangisha imali yokudla size sithenga ukudla ngemali zethu ku door to door ngoba sazi ukuthi abanye beze ngoba belambile banethemba ku-ANC. Uma thina sesibenzela phansi sikhuluma ngediscipline, ufika ama-food parcel wena siwathatha uthatha ngisho 5 abanye abantu bengakatholi uyivolunteer kodwa uma umuntu nje ngisho kini makunomsebenzi uhle kokugcina wena owasekhaya uhla ekugcineni you allow other people noma ungangathola wena uzobuthola. So kulesi sikhathi iANC ebhekene naso nathi siwukhosana ngoba nathi sibhekene nasempingi. Yabo nje enye into lokubhala eyenzeka ngiqathi silungiselela ukuyokhethela la ngabona khona ukuthi si in trouble. Ngaya kwenye ngeke ngimention ngoba manje bakhona abanye lana mhlawumbe nje bazoyisho lento. Angifuni ukukubiza igama lomuntu but I went to address a COSATU local. And mina I knew ukuthi njengamanje sikhuluma indaba ama election and we are encouraging workers to vote for the ANC. Unfortunately for me ngakhuluma kuqala ngasho nje ukuthi hayi ANC ngabali izinto ANC ezenzile ngoba ziningi ngeke uzoyiqeda. Ngisi ngizama ukuvuselela abasebenzi ngoba sasibabona ukuthi bayahlela. Bavele yasukuma leadership ye-ANC eyayizo address. Ya address engathi yona uCOSATU. Yathi ANC benzile nabasebenzi. Why must vote ANC? Yeah, but the only thing that was left ukuthi itsele we must vote for umkhonto ngoba mentioned ukuthi siyabaza abantu abayisebenzela iANC benza ukuthi oma ARVs obani ekugcineni it was obvious ukuthi okay lo ukhampenela umkhonto and I realized that we are in serious trouble. Akekho umuntu ongathi we were surprised with the results because thina nobhala abasebenzi babesitshela emehlweni ukuthi nina nodlala iANC ayisifuni and I said one meeting ukuthi iANC vele ayikazi sithande ithina sithanda iANC sayikhethe emaphathini onke ngoba sazi ukuthi is an organization that is pro workers. So okwethu ukuyi-infiltrate iANC singabasebenzi ukuze sizoyishintsha ibe ilento esifuna ibe yona ngeke sikwenze lokho singaphandle. iANC is a nationalist party, is full of different people. So and ngiyayithatha mina responsibility nobhala njengokusho nje ukuthi mina ke nginokuthi every time akhona engahambi kahle ngiqala ngami ukuyibuza ukuthi iyiphi iphathi engidlalile even kwi relationship uyayibuza ukuthi yini konje that I could have done that I did not because you need to learn a lesson with everything in life. Thina sibonile iANC yehla ama election. The question is, what did we do to counter that thing? What strategy did we come up as COSATU? We were aware going to elections that workers are not going to vote for the ANC. And it was painful. But there was nothing that we could do. I think maybe there is something that we could have done, but we did not do enough. Because even the campaign, from the summit, we agreed that from that day, we're going to work together as an alliance, all programs. But we still work in silos. And our campaigns were not successful because we were disintegrated and not working together as a unit. So all those things, we need to take accountability as leadership. And do not talk about the accountability. I tell it's in accountability. When you elect leadership, you have a responsible to hold that leadership accountable. If the meeting are not sitting, it's your duty to call Unopala. We have not heard the PGM. Why? Because leadership doesn't function in isolation. It's your leadership. You must support and work with them. They may be busy with other things and forget important things. So we all must take accountability. In every organization, especially where we organize in political, there is no individual person. There is collectivism. You can't say because we did bad election, that means the chairperson, no bar, no deputy chair, no treasurer, it's the whole collective of leadership, including the executive, including the branches. Because if your leadership is not doing what you gave in mandates in the Congress, you need to call a special Congress to take them out. They are not doing what they're supposed to do. So I agree with the fact that, and I should campaign, election, we must not stop. In my ward, Watch 64, we have never stopped. We are having campaigns, we visit churches in the Lokuza, we do door to door, because that's the only way we're going to reclaim our power in the province. Tonight is even worse in my ward, because we are led by DA. Then we are in opposition, so we must try to make sure that we expose them for their failures and also be visible as the ANC. But abasebenzi ufuna ukukhuluma ngabasebenzi, I'm sure nonke la enhlila into emnandi ukuthi nabasebenzi nonke la nidayisa ngamandla enu ukuze nithole imali yokulala ndlile. Nongakabi yena umsebenzi kodwa uzoba umsebenzi base kuvuleka amathuba emisebenzi. Sina siwukhosathu siyabamela ngisho abantu abangasebenzi ngoba siyazi ukuthi labo bantu bazoba abasebenzi. Kwaye namhlanje ngalala usuwumsebenzi sekukhona seqashini. So siyabasebenzi siqhumene nabantu abaningi ngoba umsebenzi eyedwa uthola ukuthi ugade umndeni mhlawumbe u15 noma u10. So thina siya kanjani okhethweni sishiye bonke laba bantu esibagadile emakhaya? Because I can tell you, a majority of us abantu abavota abayingisho ukuyovota, but thina siyahamba siyovota sibashiye. Kwaye thina singabasebenzi we need to take accountability. Sithathe futhi accountability ukuthi abasebenzi into enginotisile njengoba manje ukuthi they don't understand issues. Uma bebona nangu lobhala ubheka imtolo, they want to ask for resolution 1 of 2018. Yet that is a national issue. Why KZN must suffer? Because the majority of babekhala ngo resolution 1 of 2018. Manje bese ngibuza mina ukuthi ungena ngapi iprovince ku resolution 1 of 2018 ngoba that is a national, is a bargaining issue, and ilinde ANC engahlali kwi bargaining ngeke izisolve lo yinto. Into ofuneka siyisolve thina whether we declare dispute or whatever. So we did not do enough to educate the working class in preparation for election, because we always sit and wait for the last minute to start the campaign. So again, those are the reflections. But in closing, I want to say, I'm happy that the political council was speaking. It looks like as an alliance we have a lot of work to do. And the question I want to leave you with, ukuthi nizowenza njani as ama masses, because you remember itule la wokuqala sithe amandla semasebeni. Nizowenza njani ukwenza sure ukuthi onke lama leader akade ekhuluma ngawo nobhala infiltrate iANC for personal gain. Nenza sure ukuthi our image kuma congress our lokuza umuntu ongakazi alide ndawo vele zo image nje sezoba ku province or where kunina. So now lifuneke nithathe accountability on the nature of leadership that you elect. You must not be voting cows. You must apply your mind. Look at the leadership. Abahlali sibabone bekhuluma ba analyze umbone ukuthi nangu umuntu ongasiza abantu abaphuwa ashintshe impilo zabo. We need a leader that is selfless. Ileke ngikhuluma ngaye engawathatha ama food parcel khali. A leader that is humble. Enye into ebulali ANC ama leader aphakeme. Abukela abanye abantu phansi. As a result abantu bagcina sebehletha ku leadership. Uma leader, you must be part of the masses, because that's where you come from. So you must never forget where you come from and your people and your mandate that you've been given, and account to the. And another thing, Nina, anba-accountisa ama-leader kwi-congress into esiyeniyazi nje senigcwele ukhatho lweslate uma kwenziwa ama-commission abantu bagcwele iy'ntaba iyo yonke leyo nto okufuneka siyishintshe sibe disciplined cadres of the ANC. I-ANC ithembele kuthina as volunteers. Uma ngisho njalo ngithi thina ngikhuluma ngoba ama-workers of COSATU are ANC members. Lawa MK asahamba nathi asinike inkinga ngoba manje we have to manage the situation ukuthi how do we deal that with that knowing ukuthi khona amanye ama-leader asephumile alapho, but it's something that we are dealing with. So sithi sina akukhethe umuntu ohumble or loyal. You must not be loyal to an individual, be loyal to the organization, because that is what is killing the organization. Praise abantu bese bekukumale kube ngathi ba above the organization. You must look at that when you go to the Congress. You must never siphakamisa abantu ngaphezu kwe-organization. That is what is killing our organization. Let me thank you, Salo, for the opportunity. Amanda, Kina ANC, Kina the Alliance, Kina. Sessinete DS, idemocracy namanje aye ki socialize. Sessinete DS, democracy namanje aye ki socialize. COSATU sabo zobonzema, COSATU sabo swa obonzema, COSATU sabo zobonzema, COSATU sabo swa obonzema. Sessinete DS, democracy namanje aye ke socialize. Sessinete DS, democracy namanje aye socialize. COSATU sabo sobonzema, COSATU sabo sobonzema, COSATU sabo sobonzema, COSATU